friends, in my earlier video on lean operational excellence, I have spoken about the 5 pillars: TFM, TPM, TQM, TSM and THM. In the TFM, which is the most fundamental pillar, we spoke about 5S, which talks about what to keep, where to keep, how to keep. But now the question comes is, how much to keep, when to buy, how much to buy. Basically, how to optimize inventory and to optimize the asset ratio or to improve the inventory turns. In the entire value chain, we need to create a pull system. A pull system means a system which is working as per the market demand. Market demand meaning the rate at which the end user wants the service or the product to be delivered. The speed at which he can consume. Anything more or less than that is going to create either a cash block or it is going to keep the customer in waiting, which is going to make him think for other options. So to create this entire pull manufacturing system, it is very important that from the front end of the organization, that is from the sales side, we need to create a backward signaling system. What is being sold or being consumed, it is being informed to the previous process, and the previous then again informs to its previous process. Then by creating an entire chain, the information flows backwards inside the organization and the material or the services start flowing outside. When information flow and the services or product flow are synchronized as per the required rate, then you get a fantastic cash flow. Now what is the signaling? The signaling goes to the previous process, that is known as Kanban. Signaling can be visual, it can be communicated. Nowadays it is in the form of IT systems which tells you the minimum and maximum levels as per the demand rate. It is not important to keep fixed inventory, and not only important, it may be difficult as well. So we keep on fluctuating the inventories. We keep on fluctuating the pipeline which is being stocked. The pipeline means the value chain. And this fluctuation in the minimum and maximum at each stage of inventory is nothing but it is known as dynamic Kanban. That means the market is fluctuating, which is out of control. Hence the entire pipeline, the value chain has to fluctuate accordingly to meet the takt time. If the organization is working as per pull, it is going to have a fantastic healthy cash flow. Please remember, it is not important to be big. It is important to be profitable. We need to identify what is the purpose of the business. The purpose of the business is not to keep on buying cheaper, keep on stocking and have difficulties in selling. The important thing is how fast we turn around the inventories and we make some money which can be put for good use. We need to be very clear with the purpose. The purpose is to meet the demand of the market. The purpose is never to stop. So please remember, in case you are going for lean operational excellence, please do not forget this important pillar which is known as Kanban or inventory management. It's very important. Please execute it. Thank you.